Okay, so tonight we're just sitting at Jungle Tree with a couple of our subscribers, Nat and Phil, and we're just talking to Nat about a cooking class that she did, and I thought people might be interested in how the cooking class goes, because I've never done one, and it was an interesting conversation. So, Nat, when did you do the cooking class?
I did the cooking class on Tuesday.
A couple of days ago?
Yep.
All right, so what's involved? Did you get picked up?
Yeah, I booked it on Facebook. You just do a private message and they'll let you know. They only have maybe 6 people maximum in a class.
Okay.
So it starts at 7:30 in the morning. They'll pick you up from your accommodation and then you go straight to the market down at Sanur. And you get a little tour through there. They explain all the ingredients, get to talk to some of the stall holders, and then you get driven back to Bamboo Shoots cooking school, so you get driven back to there in
Can I just interrupt? So buying the food at the market is included in the price of the whole cooking thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so
that's already, it's pre-bought, but they take you around so you know where they've got the ingredients from, how they pick it.
Yeah.
And that was, really informative.
Do you carry it all yourself?
Nope.
Oh, beautiful.
No, it's very,
Okay.
And then you get chauffeured back to the cooking school and you sit down and served a breakfast. So it's just, simple choice of eggs any style or banana pancake, tea, coffee, orange juice, water.
Yourself.
Yeah. And then probably get maybe half an hour break and then off you go. And everything is sort of ready, but you have to do all the cutting up.
And a lot of mortar and pestle.
And a lot of mortar and pestle, which I think that makes the difference because you start everything from scratch.
Yeah.
And so the intensity of the
really
flavours
was
wonderful. There's a hand washing station that they get you to use in between everything.
All right.
You get given a little apron. Cold bottles of water from the fridge.
Is there fans? Is it cool?
Yeah. Well, because obviously this time of year it's pretty warm and pretty humid, but we were very comfortable. And you probably do maybe an hour preparation. And we did the curries first. So we did a beef curry, a boom boom Bali beef, and a chicken curry, because they slow cook for about 2 hours. Then we did chicken lillet, and that's you actually
cook
on
the stick.
Yeah, but they use the lemongrass stalks, and it really makes a difference with the flavour. They got us to make our coconut milk and coconut cream from scratch.
What? Really?
Yeah, so
they
show you, it's already all shredded for you, but they show you what they do.
How to extract it.
Yeah, and then you add water and then different levels of intensity, different levels of water. Then you have a little break and we had the chicken lillet. Then we went back and did some more cooking.
And so do you cook over an open fire?
Little gas burners.
All right, yeah.
And they have stations, so everybody has a turn. You're basically all doing something. But good. There's 2 of them supervising, coaching you, making sure it's small enough. The mortar and pestle is hard work. Then you sit down again and you have another lot of meals. So we made nasi goreng from scratch, which I've got to do that when I get home now.
Yes.
And then we did some more preparation for dessert. Then we sat down.
Had dessert as well.
Had dessert as well.
What was that?
It was like banana pudding. So it's little tiny ladyfinger bananas.
Yeah.
Coat that in some flour, but you boil it, not fry.
Oh, really?
And it came out like a little banana pudding.
Oh.
And then you put it in toasted coconut.
Yeah.
That was delicious. So we got that ready.
So do you eat that hot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Never heard of it.
Yeah. And then you sit down and you have your curries. And then we finished off the bananas. So we had, I think, 6 or 7 different dishes. You get a recipe book. There's cold bottles of water in the fridge. Just go help yourself whenever you want. So I think it went from 7:30 to about 11:30, quarter to 12. But lots of little breaks in between to just have a rest and cool down. But didn't find it uncomfortable at all. And then when we finished, you get driven back to wherever your accommodation is.
If there's anything left over, do you take it home with you?
We didn't have anything
Nothing
left over.
left over. Is that good? Oh, yay.
Oh, and a snake bean salad.
All right.
That was excellent.
Wow.
That was really good.
Oh, so
Yeah, so no, highly recommend it.
7:30 till
About
12,
midday.
about
Yep.
lunchtime, and then they take you home again.
Back to
That
your
is
accommodation.
awesome, and
Yeah.
glad you did it.
Absolutely. I'd
Yeah.
probably do it again. Some of the people that were in the class had done it when they were here last time.
All right.
But so she adapted and did some different dishes.
Oh, okay.
So there was a change, and one of the ladies was gluten-free, and they were very accommodating.
All right.
Yeah, really,
Oh,
really
so
good with
there's
allergies
something
as well.
and probably vegetarians and vegans that would be able to.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure that
Just let 'em
accommodate
know.
whatever you want. So Nat, I forgot. There's one thing I just forgot to ask you. How much did it cost? Which is probably what everyone wants to know.
$60.
Oh, okay.
And Bamboo Shoots Cooking School
Okay. And
Yeah.
in Sanur.
Instant.
Yep.
Yep, and I would do it again.
$60 all included.
Everything. Pick up,
Beautiful.
drop back, whole lot.
Were you tired when you got home?
No, not really.
All right. That is fantastic, Nat. Thank you. I hope that's interesting. I'm sure it will be. It's interesting to me, so hopefully it's interesting to you. Thanks, Nat.
No problem. Thank you.